I'm Shruti Pandey, grade 7 studying National Academy, and this is my little sister.
Hello everyone, my name is Lanpada. I'm studying in UKG.
Welcome to another video of my channel, Code and Build with Shruti.
It's my alarm app.
Here, you could type the message for the alarm and set the time right here in 24-hour format. Let's give this to be Laya, Wakey Wakey. And now let's set the time. Now it is 3:57 and in 24-hour format it is 15:58, which is 15:57. 1 minute forward, 15:58. So I'm going to give this to be 15:58 and I'm going to give set time. My time is up.
Hello. Here.
My alarm is up. So is Laya.
Now let's see the programming part of the alarm app.
So now I'm in my computer. Let's quickly see what is the programming part of the alarm app. So now I'm in stem.desi.in. You could also do this in MIT App Inventor. So let's quickly give start new project to start a new project. And I'm going to name this to be the alarm. And let's wait till it loads in. Now it loaded me in. So again, there are 5 sections right here: palette, viewer, components, properties, and media. So in palette, we are going to drag from the user interface, we are going to drag our components. And in the viewer, we are going to design our app. In the components, components which we drag and drop will be seen. And the properties, we are going to do the properties according to each component. So let's quickly start by changing the background color. I'm going to give this to be pink. And I'm going to add a text box to write my message for alarm. And I'm going to add a horizontal arrangement to add 2 text box accordingly for the hours and minutes. So now I've added 2 text boxes. Now let's add a button right here, and I'm going to name this button to be set time. And now after naming it, I'm going to give the font size to be 30. And I'm going to give the color to be yellow. And now let me quickly resize these components by just clicking this, and you could just resize using the height and width option. Let me quickly resize. So now I've resized it. I've resized the message, which should be written to be 80, and these two to be 20 as the width. So let me quickly scroll down and delete my text or the hint for the text box. I'm going to do the same for the others. So now let me just click this screen or the background, and right here I'm going to give this to be center. Yeah. So now I'm going to add an image to show an alarm clock, which represents our app to be, it's an alarm app. So let's give an image right here. And I'm going to quickly give the width. Let me give this to be fill parent, and let me give the height to be 30. And now that's perfect. Now let's give upload file right here. And I've already have many files, like already have the picture. So I'm just going to give open. And I'm going to give OK. You could actually browse through Google and get a good picture of the app. So now as it's uploaded, let's go to the picture and attach this. Now, as you see, the alarm clock image is attached. So now what we're going to do is add our extension. So you may ask, what is the extension? Extension is nothing but which are not available in our dependent section, and it's just extension model. Like in the last video, we saw pedometer, and if you didn't see the video, my previous video, the link is in the description below. And in the last video, we saw pedometer, and in that we used a component known as pedometer. So in the same way, we need a component for alarm too, that we don't have in stem.desi.in and also in MIT App Inventor. So for that, we need an extension. So I've already downloaded the extension using a link, and the link is already in the description below, where you could download, and you could just scroll down and give download free version of the alarm extension. And after you download it, you're going to go here to the extension section, and you're going to give import extension, and I'm going to give the choose file, and I'm going to just click this and give open, and I'm going to give import, and let's wait till it imports. And now it imported, and now let's just drag and drop this into the screen. And right here, it is the typhoon alarm. So now our designer part is done. So let's quickly go to the blocks. And so we should click the set time button. So sets the particular time given in the hours and the minute section. And the message too. So let's give the typhoon alarm 1, and I'm going to first give, I should click the button. So I'm going to give the button 1, which is my set time. And I'm going to go to the typhoon alarm or the alarm extension. And I'm going to give the message, which is my text box number 1. To check it again, I'm going to designer option. And yeah, it is text box number 1. It's my message. So I'm going to click the text box number 1 and scroll down. And there's something known as text box number 1 text, because I need that text to be my message. And the hour in the text box number 2, if I'm sure. Yeah, the hour is text box number 2, and the minutes is text box number 3. And let's click the text box number 2 and give the text to be the hours. And we could just Control C and Control V it. And I'm going to give this to be text box number 3. So that's it. Our programming is done. So it was a very simple alarm clock app. So you could improvise it in many ways, like weekly alarm, like it should be continuously there. So a weekly alarm, monthly alarm, and you could actually improvise it in many ways. And you could also give a time picker instead of typing it, and you could improvise it in many other ways too. So that's it. Our programming is done. To get our app in our mobile, first you're going to give the build option and give app provide QR code for APK. And let's wait till it goes to 100%. Now it's 100%. Now let's wait till the QR code comes into the screen. Yeah. So you're going to open MIT App Inventor app or any other camera like QR code scanner, or your camera itself if it's updated, like to scan the QR code. I'm going to give connect scan the QR code option. And I'm going to give allow. And now you see me, and I'm going to just scan the QR code given here. So now it shows like this. You're going to give the OK option. And I'm going to give the open option. And right here, it shows something like this. And you're going to go to, if you're the first user, you're going to just go to the settings and give permission for unknown apps by clicking this. And you could go back and install your application. And I'm going to give the install option, and let's wait till it installs. And now it is installed. Now let's give the open option to open our app, and our app is open. So that's it. our programming is finished.
I hope you enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to like, comment and share this video and subscribe my channel. Till then, meet you in the next video. Bye.